Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
According to me, at least Goa has lost 300 crores, 300 crores in tourism revenue. How? If he would stay in the legal hotel, they would pay income tax, they would pay GST, they would pay VAT for the restaurant VAT. So I am talking on percentage. Right now, how much GST normally does? You take only 30% of it. But however, government has promised that they are coming with a policy which is a good policy, and 15th October they said they will give a policy in our hand to raise any complaint or any issue on it. Tourism Secretary in Sangla that he will make sure that he will not allow any tour operator and any online operator to sign up with the gated community. As far as the tourism secretary is concerned, he said he is going to work hard on this, and he will include one of our member on this audit committee where we will audit the places and catch hold of them and denotify them if they are doing illegal business.
हॉटेल उद्योगातले व्यावसायिक शिक्षण घेवपाची तांक ना तांकां खंय संघटना आदार दितली.
टुरिजमाचे कोर्स करपाक जे हॉटेल इंडस्ट्रीन बारटेंडर, वेटर, हाऊसकीपिंग, रिसेप्शनिस्ट जावपाक ह्यो कोर्स गोंया उपलब्ध आहा डॉन बॉस्को हे संस्थे कडेन. सो तेंकडे आमी टाय अप केला. जे भुरग्यांक हे शिकपाक घडना ताका आदार दितले.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.